All right, we're starting our day again with math, and we're going to be now working out of the green triangle packet. The green triangle packet. You will need your pencil. Miss J uses her pen. Crayons. And if you want your clipboard to help you write on a hard surface, or if you want to look at the 120s chart. So let's review what we've done this week. You filled out your All About Me page. Okay, I want to see that with pretty colors and you writing out some sentences. This is a way for Miss Katie and I to get to know you more. And then you did your missing numbers chart from 1 to 100. Now, we're going to do more today, but I want us to look at this page again. It's really important this week that at home, you're either working with an adult or you're listening to the songs that I put on the playlist, songs about counting by tens, from 10 to 100 by tens, or from 10 to 120 in tens. Familias, es muy importante que en la casa están escuchando música, las canciones que subí en el playlist, o está enseñando a su hijo o hija contar 10 en 10, empezando en 10 al 120 o 10 al 100. Es muy importante que estamos contando 10 en 10 esta semana, okay? So I am going to pick my favorite color for this next activity. Go ahead and pick your favorite color. Today, my favorite color is going to be green, but like I said, pick whatever color you want in the crayons. Now, just so we understand, this is just a way for us to color in, to kind of understand more counting by tens. Maybe some of you already know this, maybe this is new for others. So let's go to the very, very first row. This is the row, right? Rows are horizontal and columns are vertical. Let's do that. Rows are horizontal, the rows. And the columns are vertical. The columns verticales. Let's do that. Columns, okay? So, rows are horizontal. Columns are vertical, okay? So let's go to the row where it says 1, and if we count all the way to 10, now the row has ended, the row has finished, but we can make a column of 10. And if you see, if we start at 10, we're counting by tens. This is counting by tens. Okay? Cuando empezamos en 10 y bajamos, so cuando bajamos estamos contando 10 en 10. Okay? So it goes 10. Say it with me. 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Good job. You just counted by tens. And you should be doing that at home this week, and you should be listening to the songs as well. So don't forget to do that, please. Now, just to help us remember that whole concept of row and column, I want you, with your favorite color, to color in just the tens column, right? So what I like to do is draw a big line here. Okay, I'm kind of drawing like a long, skinny rectangle, and then I cross over. Okay, and then we go up, and then we cross over again, and then we can color in, and that is your tens column. So at home, this is how you're going to practice counting by tens. And this is a 100s chart that I think you remember from kindergarten. And first grade, we're doing all the way to 100, or 120. En grado primero, vamos hasta 120. So after 100, tell me what happens after. There'll be 2 squares more that happen, all right? And we're going to be working on that. So, like I said, you've already done this page, but we've just colored in our tens columns. And then we counted back yesterday. And now we're doing an exercise more on this page about rows and columns and counting back, counting forward, or skip counting, okay? So I'm gonna show you one example, and I'm gonna put my clipboard away just so that you can see the paper better. So here we go. 100 chart puzzle. Ooh, rompecabezas, puzzles. Complete the number puzzles given below. Use the 100 charts for help. 100 charts. I chose to color that first row that says hundreds charts. So just so that I can remember what that looks like. And there we go, once again, starting at 1 all the way to 100, okay? So with our pencil, we're gonna be looking at this first square, or this first little puzzle, okay? It goes 25, 35. Okay, so I'm gonna find 25, and if I go below, not in the row, but in the column, there's 35, okay? All right, so 25, 35, that's colored in. But 36 and 3 squares above it, right? The column of 36, 3 squares in the column, we have to fill in. So let's find 36 here. I found it. Miss J went a little bit too fast. Please take your time to find 36. And with your pencil, I really want you to use your pencil to help guide you because the squares are tiny. We found 36, okay? Now we need to fill in 1, 2, 3 squares. So lift your pencil right up, slide your pencil, right, slide it. Right above 36 is 26, 26. Oh, so let's fill that in. 26. Good. Go to 26, and we're gonna slide our pencils one more up. 26 to 16. Okay. I'm gonna write above 26, 16. All right, one more square, and we're still in the column. What's above 16? With your pencil, slide above. 6 is above. So I'm gonna write that in. So what column was the 6? In this 6 column, right? Counting by 6s. All right, or in this 6, it's not counting by 6s, it's the 6 columns. Good job. So now let's do one more. And remember, sometimes these puzzle pieces are gonna be a row, or a column. Horizontal, horizontal, vertical, vertical, okay? So right below the bus is where we're gonna work next. 48, 49, blank, and blank. So we're learning that we're gonna have to do rows and columns. All right, so find 48, 49. Let's find the number 49 on this hundreds chart. Use your pencil to help guide you. Miss J is going to give you a little bit more time to find it. Find 49. Oh, there it is. I found 49. And what's next to 49? We're counting up. 50. So I'm going to write in 50. Now we could pretend that the row keeps going. It kind of does. We're gonna move from here to here, just like when we read, right? Just like when we read, we go from left to right, and there's a period sometimes, and then we move back down. So if we're from 50 and we keep reading with our finger, 50, there's 51. So after 50 goes 51. 5, 1. 51. All right, good job. We have filled in our first row. What's next now? I'm gonna start at 49 again, but instead of going on in the row, I'm gonna look at 49 like a column. So 49, I go to 49. What's below 49, right? Counting down or counting up, what's below 49? We found 49, and we shift our pencil or finger down. Below 49 is 59. Let's put 5, 9. Okay, good job. Then I can either know what's 59, and if I keep counting what comes after 59, good. And after that number, right? Shh, don't say it if you know it. Then we look at 59, and we're going in our row again. 59 to 60. And just like when we finished at 60, like we were reading, we had to shift down to the next row. So we're at 60 and we go down 61. Good job today. You need to finish the rest of this and you will have completed your green triangle packet today. Excellent work, everybody.